to how to draw monster trucks and other vehicles. Today we're going to draw a helicopter. So here we go. So let's have a look. So first job is we're going to draw a line over the top of the helicopter, and the rotor blades are going to come off here, and the cockpit's going to be over here, and the tail is going to be back here. So we've got the top, and then we're going to draw a line down. That's like the windscreen. And we're going to have a nose, and the nose is going to come around like this. Let's go all the way over here. And then we're going to join these two up. And then we need to make the windows. So now there's a line down the middle of the windows. So there's one pilot there, one pilot there. We have a line down the middle, draw that across. Line down the middle, draw that across. Line across, line across. Oh, that looks a bit sad. Line across. And then I'll draw it down here. Down like that. And then join them up. Then we'll have a little window here. And then there's a door here. So we'll draw a door. And then we're going to have two little... Oh, let's have one window in the door. Lots of windows, little handle. That's nice. Right, now we've got a little engine-y bit here, so let's draw a little curve here with a little bit in there. Another curve around like that. And then we've got the tail rotor up here, so we'll draw a straight line back. Then another straight line back and join them up. And it's going to have like a boom coming up. Okay. Then what can we do now? Let's do the. So we've got the middle bit of the rotor blades here, where it all connects together. And the thing about helicopters that people often forget is you often see lots of helicopters where they're drawn if they're sitting on the ground, and the rotor blades sag when they're sitting on the ground, but actually when they're in flight the rotor blades actually bend upwards. So to make it look really realistic, we're going to bend our rotor blades upwards like that, and I think that'll do. And then let's have a look. We'll have some wheels. So we've done wheels before. Curly cut inside, curly cut outside that. Line across the top, line across the bottom. Join it up. Getting good at wheels now, aren't we? And one at the front. Curly cut the other way. Round. Line across the top, line across the bottom, join it up. There's one in the background as well, so I'm just going to do a little thing here and then colour it in. Okay, and we'll just give this a little join up to the, give it like a little thing, there we go. Nice. And then what else do we need? Oh, let's do two lines for, remember our trick for the glass? Two lines, two lines, two lines. Oh, now, if we don't put this in, the tail rotor, the whole helicopter will spin round and round and round. So I'm going to do a circle very faintly, and then I'm going to do like that. There we go. There we go. That looks pretty groovy. So let's add the black now. There we go. 2 lines, 2 lines, 2 lines. 2 more wheels. Does make it pop, do it, outlining it in black. You can colour it in as well, can't you? Background, and the tail boom, and I don't know what they call this bit in the middle. Let's do the rotor blade. Might do a couple of lines. I think that's it. Let's do those clouds again. Remember the clouds? Straight line, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. And then some birds. There we go. One helicopter. Have fun.